Hey guys, it's time for make an EDC update. This will be valid for the last month, for July. I already made this video once, but my camera really messed up all the colors and the white balance, and I couldn't fix it. So I'm doing it again. This what you will see right now, it's my Core EDC are my most important items. It's with me all the time. So let's start with the bandana, the cotton cloth, whatever. I always have one of these on my back pocket. It's quite handy if I go to the bathroom and wash my hands and has no more paper or the you know, that thing that blows hot air. So I don't use it for I don't know, blow my nose or clean my ass. It's only for sweat, wash my hands and such. I have a few of these on different colors, so I switch every time. Next one, that's the majority. I carry a paracord bracelet. In this case it's a black paracord with all the 7 strands. Plastic buckle, yeah, nothing more. Next one, it's my watch. I'm still using the KCO SGW 100. Great watch, compass, barometer, and such. I finally replaced my Saber Red, not because I wanted, just because I lost my other one. So I really prefer to have one of these on my pockets. So I have the new one, although I don't like the new cap. It's different kind of plastic. Yeah, sorry if I close this much and you don't see anything. It's the camera hasn't autofocus. I have to press on the shut button so to make focus. Whatever. Next one, it's the Maxpedition. Stay there. Spartan wallet. I'm still using this. I have a picture of me and my girlfriend, or my girlfriend and me, on the back side, and on the inside I have the credit cards and such. Here I have a few band-aids, big pieces of paper that goes all the way till here, and the mighty Fisher Space Pen, the one that fight with the Phoenix. Come on, there you go. So you can see it's quite scratched up, but it's still working great. It sounds like a chicken, this camera. So I'm trying to put this all organized, but I keep smashing all. There you go. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. Let's do this. Knife. It's my all and great Boker Worthcom. It's a liner lock. Chatlos Panos design. Come on, chicken. There you go. It's a beautiful knife. Have this little lanyard, paracord, black and polish green. Can't remember this color what it is, but anyway, there's that. It's my phone. I changed my phone. I don't know if I already showed this, but it's in a leather case, quite nice. It's a Droid 3. Okay, my chicken doesn't want to focus on the screen. Come on, there we go. Full QWERTY keyboard with a numpad. Such a great phone. Running, even though it's not official, Android 4.0. There you have the name of the mod. Yeah. And if you want an Easter egg on Android, I'm a senior Android developer, and that's why I know this kind of stupid thing. If you press a few times on the Android version, you have an Easter egg. That is it's a cute picture or draw, whatever, of the ice cream sandwich. That is the code name for the OS. For the last two items, there's always hanging on my belt. It's just this kind of carabiner, no, whatever you are seeing it. I meant to lanyard. This is just a 1mm climbing type cord, red and black, and this is unguarded black paracord. And on the end I have a Phoenix EO5 rated of this tiny flashlight, and I switch back to my Norman Squared E4. For me it's has, I don't know, it's better than the Dime, the overall construction, the tools, etc. So that's that. So the last item are my keys. Here, there you go. For some of you, they are strange keys, but here are pretty common, and I have it on a climbing grade carabiner. It's a real climbing carabiner. It's a locking carabiner with a little wrap of black paracord. So I think that's pretty much all my EDC. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Please like, share, write a comment, and if you are not a subscriber, just pinch subscribe. Yeah, that's all. Thank you guys, nos vemos en el próximo. Bye bye.